Don't lick it. Okay. If you're my mom, no. Oh, I can't reach. I'm like an inch too short. Wait, I just had a new vision. This way and then this way. And then I'll be able to push it in. Wow, aesthetics. Because I'm literally gonna fall and like kill myself. So let's not do that. Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you've never seen this place before, my name is Chaunna and you should definitely subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And in today's video, we are doing my annual room transformation. I haven't done like a really big room transformation video in a while. I arranged a couple things, did some decluttering videos and cleaning, but I just really feel like switching things around in my room. I need to like move things around or I just feel like trapped. I don't know. I have some ideas and I bought some things and that's what this video is gonna be. And this honestly might be my last room transformation of this room because by September, I'm gonna be going back to school, and then after school, I'm gonna be out. I'm also kind of like doing this on the fly. Like I have a couple ideas, I made a Pinterest board, but I'm not fully committed to anything because I'm not sure how things are gonna look. I also don't know where I even want to start. I'll give you guys a quick look of the room first. And this room has honestly been through a lot. I've been living in this room since I was 13. I'm 21, turning 22 this year, and she's gone through some different phases. This wall used to be Coldplay, 5 Seconds of Summer, Teen Wolf posters. It was a mess, but she's growing up. There's the entrance door of my room. I have this big mirror here. I have like all my Funko Pops because nerd and I don't care. My desk needs a clean. My computer, my dog. Why do you look like that? He's like giving me puppy dog eyes all day and looking at me like that because I won't take him for a WALK. But that's because it's negative 25 out. Like, if I open the door, he's gonna take 2 steps and come back in. But he doesn't understand. So he's been staring like this at me all day. That's just a box of things that I bought, so we'll go through that later. I would say this is the newest addition to my room. I bought things to organize all that junk. So there's the gist of everything. I think what I want to do is rearrange furniture first, and then clean and declutter just so I can see where things can fit or where I want them to fit. So I want my bed to be kind of more in the corner. I want to push, this is actually like a TV stand, but I'm just using it as like a end bed thingy, what's it called, like an ottoman. And I also want to switch up the look of my closets and just move around some other furniture. I don't know how things are gonna fit, so I might just end up doing it for nothing and then I have to move things back. There's a lot I can't like move in my room, like it just has to go there. For example, my desk. My parents won't let me get rid of this long ass desk. Like the shelves are in the wall and this long ass desk literally cannot fit anywhere else in my room. So I kind of only get to rearrange this half. Because like, I don't know, I just feel like everything's hiding in that corner and I can just have more space in my room if I shift my bed. I'm not telling my mom because she has this thing of like rooms being centered, like beds always dead center. So we're just not going to tell her, we're just going to move it, and if she wants to move it back, she can do it. I'm not doing it. I think I need to empty everything out so it's lighter to move, and also vacuum under my bed and pull out whatever the hell is under my bed. Okay, so I think I need to swing it out like this way and then this way, and then I'll be able to push it in. Yeah, that'll work, right? It's gonna be like whoosh, whoosh. That makes sense. I don't know, because then this will start to feel like I'm a little like cubicle, you know, because like I'm working from home. I don't know, should I just do it? Help, I wish you guys could like tell me what you think is a good idea or not. Also, everything just also looks bad right now because there's shit everywhere. I might as well commit. We're committing. I just gotta stay committed, you know, like I thought this would look good at some point in my brain, so the rest of it will look good. Dispatch you from a ways, my heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Look how much dust was under there, that is so gross. Oh my god, but it's in the corner now. And I gotta fix all that too. Oh boy, okay. And then I gotta move that and push the rest of this down too.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on.
The bed is now in the corner. It's starting to look a lot better now. From Amazon, I got these baskets. Amazon is the only place where you can find storage bins like exactly the size that you need and without crazy prices. It came in a pack of 6, I think, for like $50. And just looking at like Bouclair and stuff, they didn't even have the sizes that I want, and each individual storage bin was literally like $15. So it's like this fake woven material. It's actually just plastic, but it looks like fabric, like the style, and 2 of these fit perfectly in each slot of my bed table thing. I don't really know what to call it. So I wanted to organize what goes in them and then have them in each slot. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Wait, I just had a new vision. Would this fit? Wait, I kind of want to put it there. Wait. Really use your imagination here, guys, because everything's messy. The original vision was to have this on the end, but now I think it'll fit there. I think that'll look a lot better because then it won't feel so cluttered here, and that can go there. Y'all, I just discovered something new. Okay, wait, I need to find a measuring tape. This is so exciting. I think it'll look better there. Y'all, we got 6 feet. That thing is less than 6 feet. The sun is setting. I'm very hot, and I think I broke the vacuum because it's starting to smell like smoke. Okay, let's move you guys. Oh, you just hit my ceiling lamp. Okay.
I want you.
Which room I have? Oh my god, Jesus is shining because he's so happy. So here are the bins that I mentioned, and they literally fit perfectly. Look at this. Wow, like that's literally perfect. So I'm gonna start organizing this. Maybe not completely organizing, but at least getting things off of my bed.
Your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away.
Hey guys, welcome back to the room reno. I don't remember the last time I filmed. I know it was last weekend, and I think I was putting together the shelves for the nightstands that I kind of turned into a side table thing. It's about a week later because I worked throughout the week, and the weekends are my only time to really do things. Very sad. There's still a lot I want to get done today, and I'm hoping I can at least get close to finishing today. So from my old style, I had these vines coming to the light and the fairy lights in between all the vines, but now that my bed's not here anymore, they kind of just hang like this and they go up and down. So I want to get rid of the fairy lights, and I also want to get rid of these 3 vines that are hanging there and just have like the wall of vines. Now that my bed isn't centered, it just feels weird that it's drooping there. So let's take the lights down.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be.
Okay, let's not fall. How can I tie this? Oh, I can't reach. I'm like an inch too short. Should I just take the whole rod down? Wait, okay, I think I should just take the whole rod down because I'm literally gonna fall and like kill myself. So let's not do that.
You're right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could.
Alright guys, it took me like 20 minutes, but I did it. I need to clean this out because look, the battery literally exploded inside, and that's freaking gross. But yeah, I'm not sure if I will reuse these lights or not, or just give them to somebody. But yeah, here's like a life hack. I feel like this would work with like LED lights or fairy lights. But if you get like a paper towel roll or like a toilet paper roll and you just tie one end and then start wrapping it and then tie it at the end, it's a really good way to store it and put it away. So now I need to put the leaves back up.
1,000 different pictures of what is wrong, but if we turn the clocks back,
the next thing I do is the part that I'm most excited for, and that is making a collage wall. If you're an OG and you've seen my collage wall at my other house where I stayed for university, I think that was my first like viral video in 2019, and I made this coolest collage wall. You guys will see it in September when I move back for school. And I kind of wanted to have another collage wall in this room, but not as intense, like I'm not covering an entire wall. I just wanted to do the new renovated corner of my room and put it on both walls. So the last time I did my collage wall, I literally just made a Word document and copied and pasted photos in it and then printed the whole document of like 50 pages. It might have been more. But this time I just went to the Walmart photo center. I uploaded the photos online and then it was ready to pick up in like 2 days. This is honestly probably the cheapest option. I got one large poster and 26 mini prints. It totaled under $20, maybe like $16 or $17. I'll have my Pinterest down below if you guys want to see the photos that I used. It's a bit different than my original collage wall because these are just 4x6 photos. This poster right here, my sister got for me at a convention, and it says "Never Give Up," and it has Charlie Brown on it. And not that I don't love this poster anymore, I just really want to switch up my room. So I found a different poster and I printed it, and I'm going to be putting it in the same frame. This is my first time seeing it too, so I'm hoping it looks good. Oh, okay, it's not as pixelated as I thought. This is the print I picked out. It's a Vogue poster. Sitchy, it's not for you. Can you even read? Don't lick it. I think this will really help with the aesthetic of my room that I'm going for. So I think I'm gonna do the frame first, and then I'll put up the collage wall.
we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now.
Wow, aesthetics. So now that I have all of my prints, what I like to do when I'm doing a collage wall, instead of just blindly putting things up, I like to lay them out and like organize them by color, so when I do put them up, there's not too much like blue or yellow in one spot or something like that. This is the tape that I bought for it. It is the Scotch removable mounting squares. This is actually what I was looking for, but there was one left at Walmart and it was literally like destroyed. Someone pulled it out. But when I came home and I was tidying my room, I literally found some left. This is what I used for my other collage wall. This is the Scotch removable poster tape. And then get into the mounting squares. It's basically the same thing. They're just already cut out in the squares. I'm going to be putting them kind of like sporadically between these two spots on the wall.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Okay, so we have some issues. One, I literally thought I printed enough to go to the ceiling and I didn't. And that's 26 photos, so literally if I want to go all the way to the top, I need to double what I did. But I don't know if I want to. Like, I don't know if I kind of like it like that. Here's what it looks like right now. It's kind of a mix of like a collage wall, a vision board, and just like wall decor, I guess. I'll do more of a close-up when I do my overall room tour at the end. My pocket, though, is full of all of the peel-on thingies. Peel-on? What the hell? The adhesive peel-offs. I just stuffed them in my pocket when I was doing the collage. So the next thing I was thinking about changing my room are my hats. They have literally been like that for the longest time in my room. I don't even remember what my closet ever looked like before I had these hat hangers, but I think they just add a little bit of clutter. So I think I want to flip them on the other side. On this side of my closet, I hang hoodies and stuff, but I think I want to take the hat hangers and put them both on the inside of this closet.
You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my.
And it's also, I don't know if you guys hear that a lot, but every time I move my closet, the metals like slam, and now it's just like annoying me.
You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool.
This is from behind my door. Maybe it'll look good, like, will it look better on this side or this side? No, does that just look awkward because there's just one? Did I just go to my parents' room and see if they had one in their closet and just took it? If you're my mom, no. Everybody else, yes. Oh my god, I can barely reach. Like, I feel like one just needs to be here for the sake of being there. I really want a spot just to like hang masks, you know, because I always forget them when I leave my house. Yeah, like these are literally all of my masks that I keep in this little Gucci tote. Okay, like I think that looks okay. Wait, I'm gonna switch them. Guys, it literally, I've had this hanging for so long that it dented the leather. Okay, I'm not hanging this anymore. I think I like it, I think. By the door, I decided current masks that I'm wearing in these two old like disposable masks and my other fabric-y masks. My gym bag's in my closet right now because gyms are closed, but I think I'll also hang my gym bag there. And then this side is just backpack and tote bag, which I think is cute. Hey guys, so it's getting dark out, but Evan picked up the rest of my prints for me. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of me putting them up and Evan not helping. I printed 29 more prints. Originally, this is like 26, I think, but I also wanted to fill in the bottom a little bit more. And yeah, it was time to do this treacherous process all over again.
I wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind.
Hey guys, so I'm actually tearing this video into two parts. I originally was gonna do a whole room tour. Oh my god, my freaking hair. I was gonna do a room tour at the end of the video, but it's getting pretty long, so I think I'm gonna do a more in-depth room tour in my next video. If you guys can see behind me, and no, I'm not talking about the mess back there, my room is done and I need to clean it before I give you guys a tour. But I hope you guys enjoyed this room renovation makeover video. This is my favorite my room has ever been, and I'm really excited to show you guys everything all together in the next room tour. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one, which will be the room tour. And I'm so excited because, like, look, it's kind of messy, but it'll be clean for the tour. So I'll see you over there. Bye!